Hello lovely peoples, welcome back. Alright, deviled sausages. We're going to get straight into this one today. Okay, I'll put the recipe below as always. Now first of all we need 8 beef sausages. You need a brown onion. Now you need 1 fresh pear, peeled and sliced, but I don't have any and I've got canned pears, so I'm going to pull out roughly 1 pear in the canned pears and slice that up. Okay, we need cumin, curry powder, coriander seeds grounded, Worcestershire sauce, tomato sauce, corn flour, raisins, brown sugar, and that's about it. Alright, so first of all what we're going to do is we're going to make the sauce up and then put it aside, alright? So first of all we need 2 cups of water, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of coriander seeds grounded, half a teaspoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Oh yeah. Yum. 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. Ooh. 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Whisk it all up. Whisk it good. And then we set that aside. Got the sauce mix made up. I've sliced up the onion. I've got 1/4 cup of raisins ready to go. And I've sliced up 1 pear. Alright, now that we've got all that all ready, the next thing you got to do before we start cooking is I serve mine with mashed potato. So I've just cut up spuds and put them on. You can use rice, you can use couscous or whatever it's called. You can do whatever you want with it, alright? But pretty much now put on whatever you're going to do with it. So I'll brown the sausages, clean the pan out, back in they go. With your onion. Mix it up a little bit. Put your pear in. Oh, smells good already. Alright, just keep mixing it for about 2 minutes. Alright, it's been a couple of minutes, the onion's going translucent. Now we add our sauce mix. And we add our raisins, or sultanas if you haven't got raisins. Alright, now what we want to do is we want to put it on a very, very low simmer. Alright, and we want to simmer it for 10 to 15 minutes on low with the lid on. Stirring every 2 or 3 minutes. 15 minutes later and we've got beautiful, thick, deviled sausages. Oh yeah. All that's left to do is to plate up. Mash on the plate. I'll do an adult serve. Alright, make a hole in the middle. Deviled sausages on there. I like to fill up the hole first. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh yeah. Get a bit of that sauce. Sausage on top. Oh, yum. Now, if you want to, just as a garnish, you can put a little bit of fresh parsley on there. You don't have to, but it's just a garnish. So put some pear in there. Oh, yeah. A little bit of parsley on top. There you have it, my friends. How yummy does that look? Wait, thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a go. It's really easy. It's really different and it's really yummy. Bye!